How dudes? Right, here's part 5 of Globe or Earth. There's both. So yeah, right. There's quite a few things I want to go through that I'm trying to get to why and how I reason this all out. But I'll go through some of the stuff I'm going through before, like Brahma's Day that we're in at the moment, right? And we're living on Bukola as a sphere Earth, globe Earth, heaven, as we know, on an orbit. In Brahma's Day of his orbit, right? We know this. If you know this stuff, you know this, but scientifically, we know it basically, Vedically, or both. You know, you infuse it all as you know as you get older, and they'll come to know these things. But like, I would say that this globe Earth is a terraformed through the Manu's time of this day that we're in, to basically the flat stereographed sort of like flat Earth that's underneath the Buloka we're in. That means the Earth region, where we're in the lowest global orbit of the 7 heavenly regions, and basically, yeah, it's terraformed to its kind of identity, like artistically, because it's Brahma, the creator god. So in the creation, he creates this spherical bowl, and it rests. So a lot of humans on the civilizations we live on it, as known. Right, so 455 trillion years have gone past, according to Veda, right? After that day, I say the Brahma's night is brought down, the globe that is, out of his orbit. Somehow they break the circuit, or the Brahmin somehow. Let's just say, like down in Bhumandala, the flat of the Earth, and somehow this massive ability that they have to be able to do. And the flat of the Earth is basically where the globe basically enters on top of the salt or Jambavipa, in the centre of the salt ocean, in the centre of the flat of the Earth, and where the globe salt, so it all mushes into one. Fallows, reseeds, and over 4 billion and 320 million years grows again, which is in Brahma's night, where the rest of humanity will just live on the flat of the Earth. I'm suggesting, and it could be a well possibility. But yeah, let me show you some more stuff I was saying before. So like, some of my reasoning to what I was saying, right, about how it's globe of the Earth, right, but people argue this, Earthers, right. Now this is before Nicholas Copernicus, right, all this stuff was said. And as it's saying here, like, the conversation in the Yahoo Veda in Maharaja Parishi and Sukha Goswami, Sukha Sri Sukha. And here it says here, O great king, no one can comprehend by thought or describe by speech, even in 1,000 divine years, the extent of mystery of the evolution of the Lord's power known as his Maya in this world of becoming. Therefore I shall give a brief description only of the globe Earth. See that? In respect of its location, size and characteristics. And it goes on to say, in the innermost cavity of the lotus-like body called the Earth, there is a continent which is a lakh of yojanas in extent. It is called Jambavipa, and is of a round shape of a lotus leaf. In that Jambavipa there are 9 regions of divisions, Farhas, each extending over 9,000 yojanas, and demarcated by 8 mountain ranges as natural boundaries. Right? And here's Jambavipa. Say this is the flat of the Earth, right? It's in the page next to it, right? Right there, right? It's all around here. See, there's the Himalayas, Bharata here, as I was saying before in the other vlogs. And it's around about here, around Mount Maroon. See? And so that could be like the flat of the Earth, you see, right in the centre. But this ball shape we're in, this, we know this is around India, and just above it, the Himalayas, ball shaped in its terraforming. This next page here shows you, like, say there's the stereographed flat of the Earth, which is just below the ball of the Earth, just here, the same Buloka. So it's just going around as I was saying. And there's the lower Earth or the lower part of the flat Earth. See, and Jumbo Vispa is on the page over is there in the salt ocean. This is what I'm suggesting, that the ball of the Earth ends up crashing into at the end of basically Brahma's day. Right, planned. And then you've got this called Plaksha, the ocean of sugarcane, Samala, the ocean of wine, Kusha, the ocean of ghee, Kroncha, the ocean of milk, Saka, the ocean of curd, and Pushkara, the ocean of pure water. Right? See the islands, there are different islands and waters. This could be going out, so there's a whole table. See what I mean? But this is it. It's 4 billion miles in diameter, right? Going across, right to the edge of the Brahmanda. And as I was saying, like 2 billion miles, say, is the top half from Bhumandala up to Brahmaloka, Satya Yoga, and 2 billion miles below. You see, is the underverse. You see, the Garbhodaya Vishnu, who this emanates from, is at the bottom of, and all the Garbhodaya waters are coming up through here. And that's why you've got like 7 oceans coming up on the 7th Bhumandala, we're the flat of the Earth, and those 7 continents. So we've got 7 oceans and 7 main continents now shaped on our terraformed globe, right? So it all adds up, and the water will come through. Now, there's some more stuff I show you, some more reasons